guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the easy life. Today's tutorial, you can see about these jumbo braids. These are so easy and so quick. If you know how to braid, you should use about 2 hours to finish this. So I've already washed my hair, I've already conditioned my hair, moisturized my hair, and that was a conical hair. You can use any of them in the tail comb. So first of all, I'm going to section the back of my hair. I couldn't see the back of my hair, so it was a little difficult, but I think I did a pretty good job. And what I'm doing right now is kind of creating a chain. So a smaller section of hair with a bigger section, I've kind of made a chain with it. So I'm going to put the base, or where the intersection is, at the base of my hair, and section my hair into 3, making sure each part of the chain-like thing that I've created has hair. Then now I'm braiding it. You have to make it a little tighter. So when you get the base like this, you just start braiding downwards. Yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. I mean, knowing that I cannot see the back of my hair. So now I'm braiding downwards. And these are jumbo braids, so try and section the conical hair and your hair like really big. So now I'm going to braid all over my hair. And these braids are waist length. So what I did was I bought the there's this new section of conical hair that I already kind of tapered at the ends, so you're not supposed to worry yourself trying to taper it. So I'm going to, you see how huge my sections are? I use 6 packs of hair, I think, yes. Because those kind of conical hair, they're not the expression one. But if you should use the expression one, you can use 4 packs, yeah. So I want this the middle part, so that's how I made my middle part. So what I'm doing is kind of wrapping the hair around my own natural hair. Pull it to make it a little tight. I don't like using the tension style, the rubber bands, you know, those stuffs. I don't like to use that because I think it breaks your hair. No people swear by it, but I don't like using it. So what I do is wrap the conical hair around my hair, pull it down, and it makes it tight. Then afterwards, I braid it. I just braid. You know, it's not every method that's gonna work. If you find this difficult, you could use the rubber bands method. Hey, go for it. So I'm almost done. This is the last one. So you wrap the hair around your hair, then you pull it down to make it tighter. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. This is so easy. I don't know which hairstyle is easier than this. So easy. So when you finish, you just kind of pull onto your braids to make it, you know, straight. So I'm now going to lay my edges with the Eco Styler gel. Then put the paper wraps around it. Then cut off any excess strands of hair that are standing out. Yep, and I'm all done. What I'm showing is afterwards you just put the tips in hot water. If you cannot do this, let somebody help you to get that tapered end. And you're all done. Very hot water. So that's how my hair is looking. And there's the side. Yep, I'm feeling myself because I did a great job. And that's the back of it. You can see it's full. There are no spaces here. It's full and it looks beautiful and it's so easy. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.